Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Coda Web channel and welcome to another class of our React course. This class we're gonna learn how to build the project structure, right? And the previous lesson we we built our project using Create React app. So I started it here using the command npm run start or yarn start. Anyway, any of these yarn start or npm run start. Okay, and our project was started doing that, and that's it. That's the full screen from Create React app. Here we have some information. Star Wars, I already wrote it, but if we open our app.js file and change it, for example, Star Wars, uh, I've changed it to the project, for example. Saving. One moment, please. Okay, save it. Let's refresh the project. Okay, so this happens because we have a server running and the server is watching all the changes and reflects on the interface. Okay, so in order to build our project structure, I will delete it all here. I'm gonna create an h1 tag and right inside the project I will delete app css logos vg and some files here. Oops. App css, app dash, index css, logos vg, service workers, setup test. Delete. Okay. Okay. Here in index.js, I delete this app index css. Okay, that's it. And here now we only have the project. Okay, it's h1 tag, and starting from that we're gonna build our card game. Okay, so that's it. Let's create our folder structure, and the first one is assets. Okay, this folder we use generally to store images, fonts, logos, and things like that. Okay, the second one will be components. Components, the concept of components is reusable things. Okay, for example, we have a button and then we use this button in the home page and the, I don't know, cart page in the in many in many places around the application. Let's suppose we use the same button. We don't need to create the button every time in every part of the application. We just instantiate the component um, when we want to use it. Okay. Um, when we start to build the application, this concept will be more clearly. I'm sure about that. Okay, inside component, I'll create card. Inside here, I create two files, index.js and styles.js2. I'll copy and paste, and here I will create header 2. Okay, components. Let's move on. The other one will be pages. Pages is pages. Uh, for example, the page home and the page profile. It's pages of the application. Um, this project we will have two pages. Okay, first one I'm pasting here because uh, it's the same structure. The first one will be info and the second one will be main. Okay, and finally um, we have the folder services, and inside that we'll have the file api.js. Services, it's the part when about the requests. Okay, when we want to communicate with the server and bring some data for the application, we'll do that by using services. And that's it. Uh, Doing that, I we create all the structure of the application. I hope you like. If you like, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. And that's it. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.